give everyone a quick unclassified submarine dip. Good morning. Today we're off on a ride, little training ride. Meeting my mate John Walton, and we're heading up to probably O'Reilly's guest house. Not sure if we'll get all the way. He's a bit short, he's a bit strapped on time, so probably most of the way, maybe do a bit of exploring on the way. So just going down the mountain to meet him. This is the first time we've been cycling together, me and John, for a while. Yeah, he went and brought himself a yacht in Greece and sailed it back to Australia. So this is our first cycle together in probably 2 years. We used to do it all the time, every Friday at least. Now, here's the bike. Ready to go, clapped in. Stored nicely in the back of the van. Beautiful day today, just beautiful.
And guess who's here? The cycling Submariner.
How are you?
With his giant e-bike.
Anyway, it's been that long since you've been on your bike, so...
Every day, mate. We're not down here.
Right, I'm just going to get changed.
Do you want to see the cycling Submariner get changed? Maybe not. Goodbye.
Good morning. Beautiful day for a cycle. We might stop and have some polo on the way home.
Nothing like a nice pair of joggers, especially when they're wearing FMBs.
What are FMBs?
Well, naval slang for knee boots.
That's our normal route up to O'Reilly's. So we can get what John do. We can carry on up there, or otherwise we can go down here. This is basically a dirt track. Starts off tarmac and then becomes dirt. So, what do you fancy? So we've decided the gravel track. It's going to go along here about 5k's. Then we're going to have some bite to eat, have a drink, and take it. This is beautiful along here. This is nice. I've only been on one half the day. There you go.
wanna be there with you no matter where you go. Life has a table for two, and we're starting the show. Well, I'm gonna spread my wings and fly so high up above the clouds. You know that time doesn't wait for your dreams. We're living right here and now.
Okay, John, now we've stopped for lunch. Give everyone a quick unclassified submarine dip.
Unclassified.
Yeah, unclassified. It's got to be short as well. I know, like, we haven't got all afternoon, right?
Well, I was on a submarine once. We were coming to periscope depth and we were too heavy, and we had a reactor scram, which means the reactor shut down and we started sinking. There's your dit. We didn't die. Hello, Colin. I've got a little question for you. Give me a quick submarine dit, unclassified, please.
Okay, John. You know when you burst in for a pee, how painful it is? I was on a trip once and a guy couldn't pee. He just couldn't. Had a bladder infection, couldn't pee. He'd been like a day and a half. We had helicopter transfer him off, Hilo. CAMTASIA him off to the hospital so he could have a pee.
Are you ready for it? Better take your shot. It's gonna do the things that you wanna do, yeah. 'Cause this time is the right time, baby. You're the star, and this is all about you. Hey, live for today. Keep on chasing the sunshine and go out and play.
Well, we just flew the drones, trying to get the bikes, and I just want a quick question, John.
Another question. You're back in the middle of the car coming up.
How did that work for you?
That's good.
It's good. Well, mine needs a bit more practice. I've got to go. There's a car coming. Hold on. Well, he looked a bit grumpy. I was parked in the middle of the road though, so we could let him off. Do you know the good thing about e-bikes? When you get pissed off with a hill, you just turn them up. How was it, mate?
It was good.
You
It
got
was
a
good.
bit of a pump? You got a bit of a pump on?
Yeah, I got a bit of a
Yeah.
heart.
What's your heart rate? At the moment?
Oh, 154.
Oh, still,
I'm still alive.
still resting. Coffee time. On my way home, great ride. Beautiful weather, just clear blue skies. Crap drone shots. My batteries weren't charged, so that is actually down to the 6Ps. The prior preparation prevents piss poor performance, so that's my own fault. But anyway, beautiful day on my way home. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you found it useful. Please subscribe. It's only a new channel and it would be great to get some subscribers. So if you enjoyed it, please subscribe and like and hit that notification bell for more videos. See you in the next one.